about it all night.
Will you take a picture of me?
Yeah.
Not with your camera.
Yeah, no worries. Or do you want to do it?
I can only do selfies. Beautiful.
It looks really nice.
God,
The sun in the
yes. Oh wow, I love it.
Doesn't matter what I do with
It
my
is.
time. My boy's so pretty, could go on and on about him all night.
I know, I feel like I'm going through my pants.
What else should I put in?
This is Orange County Court. Like, see, this looks so cute. I don't know what looks better.
Oh, it looks nice this way.
I'm gonna try to get a picture of Caitlin. Now we're at 16, so we only took 6 photos.
No, it was at 9.
Oh, okay.
So 7. We also probably have to leave. The sun is going down.
Sunset. I can't wait till daylight saving.
Yes! It's like versus us on our phones taking like 300 photos in the span of like 2 seconds.
I feel like this is nice because
More intention.
yeah, you're like soaking in the moment.
Not really.
Planning a whole photo shoot just to use the phone. But it is nice. There's an element of like the art too.
Okay. Like this. I'm scared. Well, we'll see how that goes. Look at the reflection.
Oh, it's cute this way too. Look. Aww. Film session over. Concluded. Oh, oops. No electronics for a whole. I survived no electronics for a whole week.
He lives in America with no electronics and 1 penny. And 24-hour reading challenge.
I survived using the oldest camera in the world, and I only got it for 1 penny.